Hello, and thank you for attending another Ekahau short how-to video. This is Mike Kazemian from Advanced Network Devices. Today we will be discussing why Ekahau should be considered as a top contender when selecting a true Wi-Fi optimization solution. The first and foremost is the solution is both offered in perpetual license as well as subscription licenses. So users can have a combination of the perpetual and subscription, or only the perpetual license or subscription license. Those are the only two, one of the few companies that can offer these two varieties of the license. Next most important feature of the Ekahau Wi-Fi solution is its ability to have the projects and the floor plans stored on the device that is being used for design or for survey, or onto the cloud, or on the hardware that is supplied with the solution called Ekahau Sidekick. So we have these storage devices that are intercompatible, and you can have it in one and then transfer to the other without any issue. Next is the device independent platform that the software runs on. So we can run this Ekahau AI Pro on the Windows platform, Mac OS X platform, iOS platform, or Android platform, thus covering all the operating systems that are available and are used by the customers within the industry. Next is that it is the only solution that allows Wi-Fi survey even without a floor plan. Of course, it will need an iOS device with a LiDAR sensor, which we recommend either iPhone or iPad Pro version. That they have to be Pro version because they carry the LiDAR sensor. So as you are conducting the survey, the software draws the floor plan. This is very useful because most of the time, the floor plans that are being loaded into a project file are not exactly the same as what it's being surveyed. Next capability is its hardware. Ekahau has a hardware called Ekahau Sidekick, which is the first true independent dedicated appliance that is used for capturing of the Wi-Fi signals in real time. It is fully compliant to the Wi-Fi 7 standards. That means the 6 gigahertz radios. Next, regarding the Sidekick, is what it covers. It can validate 2.4, 5, and 6 gigahertz wireless networks. It's very fast and very accurate because these Sidekicks get fine-tuned against laboratory-grade spectrum analyzers. Therefore, their accuracy is there, thus resulting in getting an accurate result first time around, saving time and money for the customer. Now, the Sidekick can run on any of the platforms the software runs on. So it can run on the Windows platform, it can run on the Mac OS X platform, or iPhone or iPad, which is the iOS platform, or Android platform. So we are device independent when it comes to Sidekick. It captures the data and it pushes the data that it captures into the software, whatever the operating system is. So what is under the hood? First and foremost, it has 9 wideband omnidirectional antennas. It can capture the information in 3D from all angles. The reason we need this is because based on the orientation of the device, we should capture the information correctly, and it does that due to the type of antennas it carries. Next is the capturing radios. The radios, we have 4 enterprise-grade tri-band Wi-Fi radios for 2.4, 5, and 6 gigahertz. And they are extremely fast. We run these in parallel because we capture more data points while running these adapters. Next is the spectrum analyzer. So we have a spectrum analyzer built in which runs from 2400 megahertz to 7125 megahertz, carrying, which is basically in the same vicinity as the 2.4, 5, and 6 gigahertz radios. The reason we need a spectrum analyzer is there are many devices that are non-Wi-Fi, but they reside on the Wi-Fi bands, and we need to identify those as source of interference. This spectrum analyzer will allow us to identify those devices that are transmitting in the Wi-Fi band but are not Wi-Fi devices. Next is the battery. It has 4 hours active battery, 1 hour charging. This is one of the few batteries that are allowed to do its size into the cabin based on the FAA guidelines. Therefore, the surveyor can carry the Sidekick with them in the cabin without any issues. Next is the active cooling system that is built into the Sidekick, thus maintains an optimal operating temperature, resulting in very stable data, Wi-Fi data results that is captured. It has a USB-C connectivity, which connects from one side to the Sidekick, the other side to the device that is being connected to for the software side. It's very sturdy and stable. It doesn't move out. It can only be sliding out vertically in the direction that is shown right now. So it can go this way only. It cannot be pushed out this way, and it cannot wiggle to the left and to the right. So that makes it very desirable as far as its ruggedness. Also, there are other features built into the Wi-Fi optimization solution. We can do real-time packet capture and decode, which is very important for Wi-Fi. We can do automatic optimization of Wi-Fi survey and design project files. That means that we can get a project file that is being surveyed. We look at the key matrices and we can see what needs to be done to improve that wireless network with the existing infrastructure that is there, which is very important. We can also automate AP provisioning for Cisco, Meraki, Aruba, Juniper, Extreme, Ruckus, and Arista. This automatic provisioning, which is through their APIs of these companies, allows us to have an accurate change of the configuration, and that is a very powerful feature. In conclusion, you can see that all the 3 elements that we have will assist in the entire life cycle of Wi-Fi for the optimization process. So from design to validation, troubleshooting, analysis, reporting, again, we can go back this cycle. So there's an entire Wi-Fi life cycle that we can carry through the entire solution set that is offered. This concludes our presentation of Ekahau Wi-Fi optimization solution. If you are interested in such videos, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.